honestly, over here in India, like the community is like more together than over there in Brooklyn where I live.
My experience, here, it's very, holy, And we did yoga this morning, and I feel so light. It's so nice to be here.
Feel like I'm gonna look up and see something any moment. I'm always looking around to see something and really get the awakening, because I feel like I can get the awakening here. The Ganga River is amazing, and watching it flow, peace.
Even coming to India is a blessing and an opportunity that you probably will appreciate later in hindsight more,
At this Chandanni Scholarship Fund, we bring kids to India every year to experience the magic and beauty of India and Rishikesh and the International Yoga Festival. And it's truly a transformative experience for these young people, and we're so proud to be able to accomplish that.
Thank you so much to everyone who supports us and contributes every year. These children that come here every year really blow our minds with how versatile they are, how adaptive they are, and how much transformation can occur for them in such a short time. It's a really invaluable experience, and Chris and I are so grateful and so humbled, and we thank you endlessly. And please spread the word, because we need all the support and help in the world to help us grow and continue to bring more and more kids along with us every year. Namaste.